Let's go. In the top level constant macro section, we have this thing called level overlay types. Most levels are going to be level overlay type one room, meaning that the 128 by 128 block of memory within our 512 by 512 level pack data, that 128 by 128 block of memory encodes one room's worth of data. However, there are other enumerations for multi-room data, MRD, and there's three multi-room data enumeration types. There is the special item layer, the geometry carving layer, and the ASCII text layer. And these enumerations mean that the 128 by 128 block of memory encodes enough data for all 13 rooms. So the block of 128 by 128 memory encodes data that applies to all 13 rooms. In the top level lookup tables, in this section here, LOV to R4W, you can pause here to read these comments here. We have two lookup tables. The level overlay cell X and Y converted to the room cell on the data layout index. And this is just simply 0 to 15 in scanline order, right? We're taking the X and Y, converting it to a one-dimensional index. We have another lookup table down here, exact same inputs, but converted to the level overlay type, the enumeration telling us what kind of data should be stored there. So we have 13 cells that have 0, corresponding to our 13 levels that have one room data. And then we have these 3 cells here for our different categories of multi-room data, the MRD data. So here's our 3 enumerations for the different types of multi-room data, or the LOV type, the level overlay type. Overlay type, enumeration, same deal, right? So we're just going to make sure that those 3 slots in cells 13, 14, and 15 have these enumerations respectively. We're just air checking. Here's what we did. Oh, no, this is our footnotes. Then where's what we did previously? Whatever, we don't care about what we did previously. Here's what we did in this video. All right, I gotta get out of here. We don't have much time.